What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Ryan. Welcome back. And for those of you who have been watching me for a while, welcome back. So what do we have here? Corolla's back in the garage. So after driving it for almost 1,000 miles, check engine light came on. Don't know what it is. Have not scanned the car yet. I'm a little nervous. I don't think anything bad because it's idling really well. There isn't any noise. Let's just see what's going on. I hope the engine's not advanced or it's going to give me some dumb code like that and it dropped and then I have to go replace the tensioner and then I have to go and turn back the time. I don't want to have to do any of that. So please, I hope to God it's like something small like a sensor or oxygen sensor or something. So here we have a scan tool with us, and I thought it'd be a great episode to make how to scan a check engine light with a scanner. Now this is a little more advanced scanner. It's a Snap-on Solus. It's not a Snap-on Solus. It's a Snap-on Modus Ultra scanner. And they're really expensive. They're like 10 grand. It's not mine. I borrowed it from a friend, so I ain't rich like that. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to walk you guys through how to scan a vehicle, where it plugs in. So if you buy any other OBD2 scanner, it's basically the same thing with the same functions. This has a little bit more features than those other scanners, but they're getting there now for better prices. You can find something that does basically the same thing as this for like $100, $200. The more money you spend, the more features it has. But nowadays, you're getting some good stuff. Autel makes some really good stuff as well. But anyway, let us jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your car door. Make sure the key is in the ignition. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is locate the OBD2 port. Usually, they're right underneath the dash. So here we go. Here's the driver's dash. Here is the OBD2 port. This is where the computer will connect and read to our scanner. So let's get that done right now. Alrighty guys, so we got the scanner connected, and if you look, it is already turned on. What we have to do is put the key in the ignition and turn it on, so we're going to get all that set up right now. Alrighty guys, so we have everything set up right now. We're going to take the key, turn the ignition on. Now that the ignition is on, I'm going to turn off the AC or the heat, whatever loads on, so the battery doesn't die. So now we're going to look at the scanner. So these are the functions of the scanner. So we are going to go to scanner. And we are going to go to Toyota, which is down here. What this is doing is picking up all the facts from the computer, running its test. It's trying to connect. So now it's picked up all the information, the VIN number, everything of the car. So yes, this is correct. And now we have the options here, which is like a code scan, clear all code. So what we want to do is code scan. And actually, I don't want to have it scan for everything. So let's just scan the engine because that's what's in. Automatic transmission. And codes only. Let's see what codes come up. So code scan, it's going to scan the entire car for all kinds of stuff. Body control module, everything. Airbags, this, that, and the other. And I don't got time for all that. So we just want to have it scan for any codes on the engine, which there is one right now. So let's see current codes. Fuel system to lean, P0171. Okay, so P0171. So what I do is usually write it down in my phone, and I do a quick Google search to see what that code entails. P0171. Fuel system to either a running, weak, or vacuum leak exist. Okay. So it's some kind of vacuum leak on this car. Interesting. Okay, so that's pretty interesting because we are missing a clamp. That's what I went to buy one of these clamps to put onto our intake manifold hose piping. Could be something like that. It could be a vacuum line got loose, something along those ways. I wonder if there's something that I can. Okay. So fuel system 2 lean bank 1. All right. So we are gonna pop the hood, check to see if anything possibly have came loose. Hopefully not, but we'll see. Alrighty, guys. So here is the here's what can be wrong with it. It could be a vacuum leak, could be the mass airflow sensor. It could be a faulty computer, which I doubt. It could. What I think it could be is something with either a vacuum or maybe the mass airflow sensor. That's what I'm thinking. But I got to do some diagnostics on this to see what the possible cause can be. I don't hear any vacuum leaks, so it could be just the mass flow air sensor faulty. So I'm going to make separate videos going through each thing. I'm going to do a completely different video for diagnostics. But honestly, all in all, that's how you plug in a code scanner. That's how you get your codes. When you're done with your codes, there's an option to clear codes. And that's all you do. You just clear your code, you drive it again, and test it. You know what? Let me just show you all how to clear codes. Just in case. Click clear all codes. Read by code scan. Okay, continue. And it's in progress right now, clearing the codes. It's easy just like that, guys. So I hope you all learned something about this. You know, it's a quick little video. So with that being said, if you guys like the video, please make sure you hit the like button. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So I'm going to make a completely different video for you guys of how to diagnose. So let's see y'all later. Peace.